Alright, so today I am gonna make a quick video on how to set up a GoPro Hero 7 Black.
I don't think there's more than we can do. How come you think that I still owe you?
People ask me all the time, and I actually have a friend that I'm gonna show how to set up right now. I think this would be easier than doing a FaceTime call. But anyway, let's jump into it. So I fully charged it already, and I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully we can get a clear picture here. Alright, so on the first menu it says English, of course. Legal stuff, of course you agree to everything. Capture the location where your videos and photos are taken. Okay, it uses a little more battery, but that's fine. Let's see, let's reframe to where you can see this, my dirty phone. Okay, so we go to the GoPro app. And you know what? I'm gonna do a screen recording. Haha, that's funny. These are the files from my last GoPro when I was hanging out with my friend. Okay, so we go here. This other camera died, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove it because I sent this old camera and I traded it in for this new one. Got like $100 or $50 or something like that for the trade-in. But anyway, so let's focus, please focus. Okay, there you go. So we're gonna remove that camera, and then my friend still has this one, so I may need to control it. Let's add another camera. Okay, and then it says we found your GoPro. Let's get started. Connect my camera. It should be pretty simple. They have made this they've made this very streamlined, so the initial setup should be really simple. Let's see, I haven't done this in a little bit. GoPro would like to pair with your phone. Okay, all right. I love it that it changes upside down. Okay, Hero 7 Black. I'm gonna put Marco Hero 7 Black. Save new name. Oh, please focus, come on. Really, Canon? See, my Sony over here is doing perfect with a much you know, with 1.4 aperture, and this one over here it's struggling with 5.6. Anyway, let's do the update. It's doing its thing. Okay, yeah, so basically just follow the prompts on the app, and then I'll get into the settings. I'm gonna try to make this video quick. Okay, so update, accept and continue, micro SD card. Oh, okay, well, I need to put an SD card on this thing, and I'll have one here somewhere. Wow, finally, oh my god. There you go. Finally. Never had so much trouble, but of course I do when I'm setting it up. I gotta get back into this thing. Alright, Marco Hero 7 Black. It's never given me so much trouble, but of course it's gonna give me trouble right now that I'm making a video about it. Join. Come on, let's make this quick. I gotta have dinner. I'm hungry. All right, so let's go to settings. So I'm formatting the card right now. And then I like to use 4:3 because 16:9 just kind of crops your image. So 4:3 is going to give you the wider field of view, then you can just cut later. Resolution, I guess I could do 2.7K, but it's going to be I could do 4K too. I can actually process it now, but it's going to be huge files. I don't need that right now. It's just, this one is just for my drone shots, but I don't know. You can use that. You can use 1080. It still looks amazing. Frames per second 60. We're good. Field of view wide. If you do wide, that's gonna give you more field of view. Linear, it just crops in. So it doesn't really make any sense, because you can shoot your video wider and then later on go if you're editing, punch in, just crop it once you already have it. But if you shoot linear, then it's pre-cut for you, so there is, you know, like 1/3 of the screen that you're missing. Video stabilization, yes. Low light, let me just be completely honest with you, GoPros are terrible in low light. So if you go inside, or if it's after dusk, it's gonna be mushy and it's gonna be almost unusable unless you have an LED light, like one of these. But at that point, you're better off even just shooting with your phone, unless you absolutely have to use something waterproof like the GoPro. But anyway, that's just my 2 cents, and that is free, of course. Please focus. Okay. Voice control, no, because it uses more. I'm not gonna do Pro Tune right now. Just gonna leave it on auto. I'll make another video about going Pro Tune and what means what, or what settings I use. But anyway, beeps high, LEDs on, quick capture. I never use it, but I'm gonna leave it on. Maybe I'll try using it now from now on. Default mode, it's gonna be video, auto off. We'll do, yeah, I guess 5 minutes is fine. Save more battery. Screensaver, where it turns the screen off, it's 1 minute. That's fine. Saves your battery too. Auto lock, no. LCD brightness 100. That's good. Orientation, yeah, I guess up. And then GPS, I'm gonna turn it off because I'm probably not gonna have it connected to my phone all the time to where it knows that the location. Video compression, let's do, yeah, the most compatible one, because I don't know if I'm gonna send it to other devices. Set date and time. Okay, we're setting the date and time. And then delete, I already did that. Version 1.7. Locate camera, that just helps you find it, but you gotta have it connected previously to your phone. Use current Wi-Fi remote. Nope, I'm not using remotes. Bluetooth devices, nothing. Battery level 90%. SD card capacity, I already did that. And then, is that it? Let's see. So let's switch modes over here. If we do, well, and you can do it manually too. So yeah, I'd rather do it from the app, but from here, you can go to general, change everything. LEDs, you can change that. The time, it's already set. Voice control, I don't use that because it's just gonna drain your battery. Touch display, locks your screen in landscape orientation. I'm gonna leave it up. Screensaver 1 minute. Brightness, we already changed that. Regional, let's see, HDMI, it's gonna be probably, if I ever use it, for a monitor. Audio input, I don't have anything connected to it, and that's it. That's pretty much it. If you know, if you have it set like that, you have stabilization on, the settings are gonna adjust by themselves, And then all you gotta do, even if it's off to start recording, here I'm gonna show you, hold it for a few seconds until it turns off. Now it's off. Okay, so from now on, if you need to use it, every time you need to use it, all you have to do is push this button. And as you can see, we're recording. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro right now. We are with the GoPro. We're recording with the GoPro. This is my setup. Okay, now back to this camera. There you go. Now you can check your media, and you have a couple of different options. Just click it to turn it on. If you open the app, it should log you right in. So let's see, you can go to view media. Oh, now it wants the update, so there you go. Whenever it asks you for the update, just go ahead and do it. Don't even hesitate, and make sure you have 50% battery or more. I'm gonna let it do this, and I guess if you have any more questions or anything, just let me know. Yes, this one is waterproof without the case. It has a great sound. It's a little cheaper than the 8, but I'm still loving this one. This is what fits. And I'm gonna put this down. This is actually what fits in my custom drone. So it's been great. I crashed my last one. That's why I got this new one. But anyway, yeah, this is what fits right here. So that's my main use for it. But GoPros are amazing. They're waterproof. You can take them anywhere. They can take a beating. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. Catch you later.